Today I'm going to show you how to animate in Procreate using an iPad. It is beyond easy and a lot of people don't know how to do it. Let's jump right into it. So I've already got my character drawn out to save time in the video. We're just going to name this character Mike. First thing you're going to want to do is click on your toolbar and go to Canvas page and then turn on your animation assist. Once you do that, you're going to see your layers are now on the bottom with the play button. Now let's tap on our main bottom layer and click duplicate. Trust me on this, duplicating your layer instead of redrawing each layer is going to save you a ton of time. So what I'm going to do on this new layer that we just created is I'm going to erase the bottom part. You'll notice when I'm erasing this second layer, you're going to be able to see a little bit preview of the first layer. Those are called onion layers. So I decided I want the oozing dripping to be on the left side of Mike's face. So you can see in this new layer that I'm drawing on, I'm making each drip a little bit to the left as well as that far left one a little bit bigger and longer. Now we're going to duplicate this new layer and make a third layer. And now I'm going to speed up the rest of these animation layers that I'm going to be drawing on because it's the same exact thing. You erase, you redraw a little bit different, and then you duplicate, you erase, and you do the same thing over and over until you're done with your animation. I'm making this an animated GIF or a looping GIF, so you're going to want to make sure your very last layer is leading into where you started off. That way it's a consistent loop without any mess ups. So now on the bottom play button, if you click that, it's going to play your layers or your frames in a sequence. Nice, Mike is looking pretty good here. He's dripping and oozing, we love it. So this next step is my favorite step. It's bringing in color to give the animation a little bit of life. So I'm going to drag and drop one color at a time in each frame and then go through each frame with the new color dragging and dropping. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to have the head bounce a little bit while he blinks. So I'm going to move a couple layers lower and the next layer lower, and then about the fourth layer in I'm going to start bringing it back up, and then the fifth layer in almost to where it started, and then leave the last one exactly where it is. That way it has a little bit of a bounce effect. So now to export this video or GIF out of Procreate, you're going to want to go to your tool icon, go to share, and then we're going to be doing an animated GIF. A new window will pop up where you can control the frames per second, either slowing down the animation or speeding up the animation. For this GIF, we want it to be a little bit more choppy, so we're going to bring the frames a little bit lower. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up or comment what you think of the animation. Have a wonderful day.